I'm going to check the weather. We are actually getting snow on December the 17th into December the 18th. Oh boy, I can't wait for this. It says we are going to get 5 inches of snow. It better stay like that.
I really hope that stays like that.
No. This can't be. What happened to the 5 inches we were supposed to get? It better change back. What? Now it says rain. No. This is not what I wanted. It better change back to snow, or else I will be so mad. What? 90% chance of rain. Why did they have to remove snow off the forecast? This better not happen, or else I will be so angry. The weather lead, it lied. It said we would get 5 inches of snow and now we are getting heavy rain on December the 17th into the 18th. I'm so angry. It better not actually happen, and the weather must be wrong.
Tomorrow will be the worst day ever. The weather lead to us. Oh man. Why does it have to rain? Tomorrow is actually going to be the worst day ever, for real.
I know, it's going to be horrible. The weather lead to US. That's it. I'm going to beat up Justine right now. I can't take her trouble making us no more.
What do you want from me now, Dad?
Justine, I'm so fucking angry, because it had to rain today, and we were supposed to get 5 inches of snow today, but no we did not. Now I have to wait a very long time and there is no snow coming up, and it is probably going to take forever for it to come. I'm so angry at you because you ruined my whole year.
What the fuck are you angry at me about? I did nothing to you, you ruined my year, you know how, by treating me like shit and giving me a punishment day on my birthday. If you are going to act like a demon, you get out of my room, now go away.
No, I will not go away. I am your dad and you are gonna listen to me and shut up, and if you don't shut your dirty mouth I will beat you up.
No, fuck no, don't you fucking dare put your evil hands on me, or else I will destroy your new phone like I did back in March. Now, get out of my room, right now.
That's it. I have just had it with you. You have just asked for it. I'm actually going to beat you up for real now.
Stop it, that hurts so bad, why?
You are grounded until Christmas passes by, and you are getting cold for Christmas this year. Now stay in this room and go to bed this instant. Little shit.
Why? Fuck you, Dad. I hate my life so much, because of my evil parents. Will someone ever save me?